Blood Rave Protocol. Blood Rave Protocol. Blood Rave Protocol. Bleeding through the floor, black leather shadows knocking at the door. Keys like knives in the midnight code. We lose our names when the circuits overload. Your eyes flash cold in the laser rain. I taste the static running through my veins. No confession, no control, just one command in the undertone. Turn the lights down, raise the voltage. Control. Welcome to the Blood Rave Protocol. Blood, 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 let the keys explode. Hands to the sky when the bassline loads. Blood, 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 take my soul. Welcome to the Blood Rave Protocol. Blood Rave Protocol. Blood Rave Protocol. No fear, no God, no sleep, no stop. Blood Rave Protocol. Under the city where the angels crawl, we write our sins on the bathroom wall. Chrome teeth, red lips, ultraviolet skin. Let the synths kick hard and the night begin. I hear your heartbeat glitch in time. Dirty little prayer on a broken line. If we burn out, let it be beautiful. Locked in the Blood Rave Protocol. Turn the keys up, cut the silence, make the whole room overdose. I don't want peace, I want pressure. I want the dark to hold me close. Blood, blood, blood on the dance floor. Mark me in red, make me want more. Blood, 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 lose control. Welcome to the Blood Rave Protocol. Blood, 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 let the keys explode. Hands to the sky when the bassline loads. Blood, 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 take my soul. Welcome to the Blood Rave Protocol. This is not a party, this is not a cure. This is a transmission from the underground floor. When the blood hits the speaker, when the lights turn cold, you don't leave the system, you become the code. Blood Rave Protocol. Blood Rave Protocol. Red mark, black soul, dance hard, lose burning skies, no heaven above, no mercy below. When the speakers breathe, everybody knows. Black light cathedral, we go down, down, down. Black light cathedral, hear the city drown. Bassline under my skin, steel heart beating again. Black light cathedral, we go down, 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 down. The walls are breathing with the sound. The lost are dancing underground. Purple fire, neon scars. No one here. Remember stars. Chrome teeth, dead eyes. Moving under broken lights. Every heartbeat turns to code. Everybody overloads. Turn the power down. Let the black synths rise. Feel the floor collapse under burning skies. No heaven above, no mercy below. When the speakers breathe, everybody knows. Black light cathedral, we go down, down, down. Black light cathedral, hear the city drown. Bassline under my skin, steel heart beating again. Black light cathedral, we go down, 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 down. No saints, no sleep, no air, too deep. No sun, no sky, just sound, just fire. Black light cathedral, we go down, down, down. Black light cathedral, hear the city drown. Bassline under my skin, steel heart beating again. Black light cathedral, we go down, 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 down. Whisper, lights out, bass awake, steel pulse, no escape. Beyond the towers, beyond the rain, I hear the old machines call my name. Through endless highways made of stone, I walk this city machine remembers every name. No beginning, no end, only the city again and again. We are the last city of gods, built from steel, built from fire. We are the last city of gods, rising higher, higher and signals fading through the rain, calling out but all in vain. Empty towers touch the sky.